Hi everyone, this is Sanjeev and Deepa here from coming to you from Melbourne, Pennsylvania. We are personally sponsored by Kankan and Samina Bhattacharya and very proud to be part of this awesome Kumar team. Kankan and Samina, Kumar and Anjali, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share on Kumar Go Diamond stage. It's an honor. We don't take it lightly. We are here to talk about few incidents which have shaped our thinking, which have changed us, our business thoroughly, and which have shown us the character of the leadership in this organization. We've been in business for quite some time, so we had many such interactions. One of the one I remember very vividly is the time we qualified for our first ever achiever trip. That was a trip we were very excited about qualifying and going to Scottsdale, Arizona with our upline, and everything was really happy. When Kangan and Samina, it felt like they were looking forward to showing us the whole trip very well. And what happened 2 weeks before the trip, Kankan's dad, whom we fondly called Baba, fell ill with a lung problem and he was admitted to hospital. Between us, we were thinking maybe they'll be able to come or not because it's a serious situation. But Kankan and Samina over the time had no doubts that they will be able to come. They always spoke it will be able to come, and we really felt special that they wanted to show their own personal couple what the achiever trips are all about. Remember Kankan and Samina been to many achievers trip before and with many other people, and they had a good group of people going on this trip. So if they didn't come, we probably wouldn't have, they probably had an excuse not to go, but they stayed on that and we felt very special. And I'll tell you what, all the power spoken and everything worked. A morning before the trip was about to start, Baba came home. They took care of him very quickly for his safety and everything for next 3-4 days. And we all went on that trip. That was our first achiever trip. That was the first time we got to physically meet the diamonds from the East Coast and the West Coast, and they really showed us around. We got to do all the activities with them. They were not diamond yet, but everybody knew them, so we really had a great time at that function. I'll tell you, this just goes beyond the family. Of course, needless to say, Baba was all fine and he stayed on for many years to bless us with his presence. But I'll tell you, this is just beyond the family and we really cherish it all the time. And Deepa has something similar to share, and here's Deepa.
Hi guys, what a journey it has been for us, both of us. I've learned so much throughout the years being in the business. In fact, what I've learned is that techniques and process comes and goes. MV is still a people's business, and being a A-type personality, I had to learn that you have to put people first before profits. You have to have patience in dealing with people because a lot of emotions, egos, and self-image is involved. So it was, and it's really important. And I had a wonderful experience, in fact, with our very own crown ambassadors Kanti and Lata Gala. One of those functions, in the back I got to talk to Lata, and being me, just went and said, Lata, it's been couple of years we have not been invited to your place, and she had this a beautiful smile, and she will take care of it, I just forgot and went on with life. But and whole behold, that the same summer we all were invited, all the employees from Kumar's team were invited to her place, and guess what? We missed it because we were in India. We had to go for a short vacation, taking care of something in India. So I was sad. I was, very, very sad that I couldn't attend it. And when we came back, and I just forgot about it, but one fine morning, I got a call from her inviting us, and our sponsors, Kankan, Samina, and Kumar and Anjali for lunch, and I was pinching myself. I couldn't believe my ears, I was pinching. I said, is it really, it's really happening, and we went there, and she didn't have to do this, they have a huge organization, guys. We are very small pack in the big business, guys. If she wouldn't have called us, I wouldn't mind, but just went, and I was in awe of her leadership because just taking a whole afternoon for us, made us feel so special, guys. So, and I would cherish this memory forever. So I would tell you that this business is a long-term business with long-term relationships and friendships, you know. So if you don't quit and stay steady, you know, you're going to make it.
Yeah, this is what we kind of talk about. Means people wonder, why are we so committed to this business? I'll tell you guys, we are committed to this team. What they have poured into our life, and our life have totally changed. The business is great, but this team just makes it awesome. So thank you.